Welcome back to the next module of the theory of machine 2, unit number 3, gear train. Students, I think you have enjoyed the problems on epicyclic gear train, and I hope all of you understood the step-by-step solution of the epicyclic gear train numericals. Lot of numericals are there in various reference book. So you go through it if you are having the reference book. If you don't have, then I have make some combination of problems for you. So let us see. We will solve some problem out of this question bank. So ready? Okay. Now here problem number 1 is mentioned in this question bank. Now first of all, open your notebook and write down this numerical. Okay. So write down. In an epicyclic gear of the sun and planet type shown in the figure. So here figure is given. First of all, draw the figure. I will wait for you. Draw this figure. Here gear D is there, annulus gear D. You can find the C, gear C, 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 correct. In another gear, that is B, and there is a spider A. This one as spider. Okay. Draw the figure. Roughly you have to draw it. There is no need to draw with the scale. Roughly you have to draw. Drawn. Shall we move further? Okay. Now come to problem statement. In an epicyclic gear of the sun and planet type shown in the figure, the pitch circle diameter of the internally tooth ring is to be 224 mm. So pitch circle diameter of internally tooth ring is given, that is 224 mm. And the module is 4 mm. So module is 4 mm. First of all, when the ring D is stationary, ring D, that is this gear, is stationary, the spider A, which carries 3 planet wheels, C, these wheels, C, 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 these are gear wheels, which carries 3 planet wheels C of equal size, comma, is to make one revolution in the same sense. As the sun will be, for every 5 revolutions of the driving spindle. In the same sense as the sun will be for every 5 revolutions of the driving spindle carrying the sun will be. This condition is given, and this condition you have to use to solve the problem. Determine suitable number of teeth for all the wheels. So we have to determine number of teeth for all the wheels. Understood the problem? See, don't panic. Read the problem 2 times properly. Read it properly and understand what is given. Write down given quantities, and we have to follow same procedure, that is tabular method, to solve the problem. Then geometry of the figure also you have to consider. Okay, understood? Written, problem written. Yes. Okay. Now we will go to the solution. Now come to the solution. Solution is here. See. So in the problem it is mentioned pitch circle diameter of gear D, that is 224 mm, model is 4 mm, and speed of spider is equal to speed of the sun will be, that is it, when sun will be 5 revolution it makes 1 revolution, so NP upon 5. This is very important designation. So Na equal to NP upon 5. Understood? Okay. So we have to find out the number of teeth of all the gears, that is TB, TC, TD. Correct? So here these are the number of teeth on gear B, C, and tooth ring wheel gear D. Okay, anyway, now as our usual method, draw the table. So first column is step number, second is conditions of motion, third one is revolution of. Now how many elements are there? We have to see in the figure. So in the figure, spider A, that is nothing but we can take as a R. So spider A. Then sun will be, because power is given to sun will be. So let us consider power is given to sun will be. Then we'll see, and then C is meshing with D. So it is internal gear D. So correct. I will draw on the table. Right. Do it fast. Complete. Yes. Okay. Right on. Step number 1. So our standard procedure, arm is fixed. Here spider is there. Therefore spider A is fixed, and sun will be rotates through plus revolution. Plus revolution means 1 revolution. Plus 1 revolution means 1 revolution and degree. Okay. So it is fixed means revolution is 0. Sun will be plus 1. Now revolution of C is TB by TC, but it is minus. It is positive anti-clockwise, then it is negative. So minus TB by TC. Now it is meshing with T. So TB by TC into TC by T. So minus TB by TC into TC by T. TC get cancelled. You will get minus TB by T. This is very important step. First node step is very important. If these elements are correct, you will get the other rows are also correct. Now second row, again spider A is fixed, and let us say sun will be rotates through plus x revolution. So multiply x into 0, 0, x into 1, x into minus dv by dc minus x dv by dc, then x into minus dv by dt minus x dv by dt. Correct? Now in third row you have to add y revolutions. So y, okay, and 4 total motion. So y plus 0, that means add row number 3, elements of row number 3 to elements of row number 2. Y plus 0, y plus x or x plus y minus x dv by dc, y minus x dv by dc, then y minus x dv by dt, y minus x dv. Correct? Now here we know that when the sun will be makes 5 revolution, this pattern makes 1 revolution. Correct? So we can write from this. So what is the revolution of pattern y, and what is this revolution of sun will be x plus y. So y makes here 1 revolution, whereas sun will makes 5 revolutions. So correct? Here x plus y is equal to 5. Correct? Okay. Now y equal to 1 and x plus y equal to 5. So we will get x equal to 4. Correct? Okay. Now what we have to do here, since internal tooth ring D is stationary, so therefore it is given in the problem. So what is the here it is. So what is the revolution of gear D? Y minus x dv by dt. So it is y minus x dv by dt equal to stationary, that means 0. We know y, we know x, TB by TD, but we don't know. So TB by TD is equal to 1 by 4. So TD equal to 4T. We got one relation because we have to find out number of teeth. Now we know that number of teeth is equal to, the model is given. So diameter equal to MTD. So TD equal to, or model equal to diameter upon number of teeth. By using this relation, TD equal to D upon M. So 224 upon 4, that is 56. And TB equal to, from this relation we can calculate TB, that is TD upon 4. So it is 40. Correct? Check this answer. Now come to the geometry. DB, DC, DD are the pitch circle diameter of B, C and D respectively. So by geometry, DD equal to DB plus 2DC. Correct? So we know that for same module, number of teeth and pitch circle diameter are proportional. So we can write TD equal to TB plus 2DC. So TD we know, TB we know, and from this we can calculate DC. So we got DC equal to 40. Okay, so we got all values 56, 40 and 20. So in this way you have to solve it. Okay, is it or not? Okay, it's very easy if you go step by step. Very easy, and you will definitely get answer, and you will enjoy the solving the problems. Okay. So next problem we will see in the next class.